First one here is going to be Southland Holdings. The ticker is SLND, Sierra Lima, November Delta. Southland Holdings shares are trading higher after the company's joint venture was awarded a contract for the Winnipeg North End sewage treatment plant upgrade. We'd have to go through the PR to get more of the specifics here. This is ripping the stock higher by 67%. This stock was just beneath 70 cents yesterday. We're tapping 114 here today. The one thing I will say about this, pretty decent pre-market action, price action. We had the impulse move on the good headline. You had a moderate pullback to VWAP, kind of a hold, chop around, and then another move higher. Now, where do we go from here? We'll have to let the market tell us that. But a quick peek at the short interest on this name, 2.47% of That's weird. 2.47% of the float is shorted. 1 day to cover on this. And if we take a look at the float, 14.42 million in there. The $25 million is what they're going to get from the new project with 2 of its subsidiaries. So we can actually attach a number to that too. 13, what do you have here? SLND.
As you put it, they received a contract. They're trading up on that. Problem is, this has got a pretty hefty area of supply to chew through. If you look on a daily chart, you can see that basically all year since we got down here and starting in March, and we've had this sideways price action that it's trying to work through right now. Being that it's struggling to get over 115, you can see at that 115 level, that's about the median of this entire consolidation area from the from March to June, basically. So that's where it's trying to work through right now. Fortunately, it is trading above the 65-day EMA, so I think there is at least a chance to try and push higher. There's different levels that I had for this one. After, if we can get through 115, it would be 140, 170, and 191. Those are the next 3 resistance areas that I saw at the upside here. The company does have revenue. It does have a little bit of cash. Balance sheet does not look great. They do have quite a bit of debt, and they're not profitable. So hopefully this contract helps them along with that. It says that 25 million in new contracts. Great. They've got let's see, they've got 62 million in debt that's needs to be serviced this year. So hopefully that chips away at that. They need to their balance sheet does not look great as a result of the amount of debt they have, but those are the levels to the upside if we end up getting those. Otherwise, if we lose $1, it's going to trade like a different animal, and I wouldn't want to see. I wouldn't want to touch it at that point.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. I will probably avoid this one anyway today. Just given it being a Friday, there might be some better stuff. We do have a fair value gap here, though. We actually have 2, and the first one worked. So just, take this with a grain of salt. Your first fair value gap is actually going to be right in here. And this goes up to this, and we actually came back and basically bounced right off the top of it. But the second one looks like we're about to enter right now. Your second one is going to be right in here, and it looks like that also lines up somewhat nicely with the 9 EMA. So we'll see if we do get a bounce from this area. Again, this is viewed as high risk. Take it with a grain of salt.